Best video microphones. Number 1. Movo VX R10. Small, durable and lightweight. Simply mount the VX R10 directly on your camera or smartphone. Plug in the microphone and you're ready to go. No battery required, it's easy to pack and easy to use. The perfect on-go microphone. Vloggers, filmmakers and videographers of all kinds love it. Whether you're making a short film or shooting a latest vlog on Venice Beach, the VX R10 will deliver clean, crisp audio every time. Number 2. RØDE VM Go. Compact and lightweight by design, the VideoMicro Go delivers clear, crisp, directional audio with incredible ease of use. With tight pickup area, focuses directly in front of the microphone and reduces other surrounding sounds, ensuring that your object is isolated from distraction background noise. Number 3. Sony ECM-XYST-1M. High quality audio, high quality sound recording with wide frequency band, professional design, professional look and feel in the black casing matches professional quality audio. Reduces wind noise. High quality audio is supported further with included windscreen. Multi-surface shoe compatible. Compatible with the Sony Handycam camcorders, CyberShot cameras and Alpha or Nex cameras with multi-interface shoe. Number 4. RØDE VideoMicro. VideoMicro compact direction on camera microphones. The VideoMicro reduces distracting peripheral sounds and focuses on the audio in front of the cameras. Its pickup is more forgiving than other on-the-camera microphones, providing a more natural sound when recording indoors. The microphone body is made from aluminum, giving it a high level of RF rejection, and it's finished with RØDE's high-grade ceramic anti-glare black coating. Number 5. RØDE VideoMicro. RØDE's newest addition to the VideoMicro family, the VideoMicro is a directional microphone optimizes for smartphones. The VideoMicro is designed to fit a wide range of different devices including ISO, iPad included and Android devices as long as the headset inputs is on the opposite side to the actual camera so that you do not see the microphone while filming. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.